it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do a project share with you. I had fully intended to make multiple Christmas journals, but I did not get the chance to, so I made this one. This one is my one and only Christmas journal that have made from this year. So it's so crazy because I got a bunch of Christmas stuff to make journals, and I don't know why, but I'm having a hard time. I have such a hard time doing the Christmas journals. So I wanted to share with you guys what I came up with for this one. I have a lot of stuff that I set up for it in the way where I wanted it to be not fully embellished, but with embellishment options. Like, I want the recipient to embellish it themselves, and I've also provided stuff for the recipient to put their stuff in, like to embellish. But first of all, I want to tell you guys that I got a lot of the stuff that I used on this journal from SM Tiffany Lane at Etsy.com, and I will have a link for her below so you can check her stuff out. She has all this really gorgeous stuff. I'll also have a video link below so you can go ahead and check out the stuff that she did send me, like this really, really beautiful hand-dyed cheesecloth. I just been using it, all the stuff that she sent me. This trim here, no, not this trim, other stuff. Yeah, but there's stuff in here that I used from her, and then I have all the stuff that I used from my stash. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I have in this little snowman here, which is removable. I just put this eyelet here, and that comes off. It is a little over 2 inches for the spine, and it's got 4 signatures, and that just a little ring there, so that comes off. And isn't he adorable? He's so cute. Okay, so inside of Snowman's head here, I have a bunch of little stuff for the recipient to use in their journal if they want to. So I have a couple more of these inside the journal, so there's like a lot of stuff to use because I have all this stuff in my stash. I feel like a good way to get rid of it is to put it in my journal and share. So it's got these little embellishments here, and some die cuts and some cutouts that I have not used. A little tag. This tag is so adorable. And then I put some colorful paper clips in here, and this thing, which I don't know why it keeps coming up. Well, yes I do. There we go. And a little candy cane. So those go in here. I also put in a roll of washi. So all of that's in here. I'm going to set that over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, I'm going to get to this. I need to take this out so I can show you. Okay, so what's fun about this cover is I got this from SM Tiffany Lane. Keep getting that part messed up at the beginning. She sent me these little things right here, and I like them because you can just put a picture in there if you want to. So I have made this little pocket here from some parchment paper that I was using to coffee dye my paper, and so I made an envelope out of it, and it's all wonky and weird, and I love it. This is elastic lace that's also from her, and inside I have some extra pieces of ephemera, of course, and then I have these little things here, which if the recipient wants to, they can go ahead and put in here and change the image in there. Isn't that cool? Or you can put your own family picture in there. I think that's super cool. Like, that's super cute. So that's just an option. And I use this postcard, which I got from Crafty Irina. Hi Irene, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas. Hey guys, I miss Irene. I've not seen her for a while. So this says wishing you Christmas cheer, and I have that one in there just as the display option. And I'm gonna put this back in here. I have all these little things hanging out of here. There's like fabric tabs. These are leftover fabric from when I made, this year actually, a couple weeks ago, I made all of us our own stockings. So I had a whole bunch of leftover fabric, and this is, or like scraps. I have leftover fabric and scraps. So I put them on here. And Taylor, my fiance, made these little journals for me because he wanted to hang out and I wanted to craft. So he came in here and was like, I'm gonna make you some little journals. Give me some stuff. I'm gonna make some little journals for you. So he made this. I glued this on the cover, and I was gonna finish decorating it, but I thought this would be a good opportunity for the recipient to do something themselves. So I thought this would be cute, or like, there's just little options here for the recipient to do how they want to. So they could put a little wreath there, good cheer, and glue that on. I think it would be so fun. Like, I just like that idea. So this is also from SM Tiffany Lane. Super cute, beautiful envelope. And it's got a little Christmas tree paper clip. So that comes with the journal. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and go inside. I've put some trim here, and then it's got, like I said, it's got 4 signatures. I did a lot of sewing on this one. It's got some doilies up here. I used green, black, and gold thread. I thought I was going to get to some red thread, but I didn't. And here's a little magical day. It's just a little file folder for the 25th. So that's in there. And I got little tabs throughout the whole journal. Copy dyed paper. And this journal's pretty big. I'll measure it for you soon. Okay, so I did not go through this one and put stuff everywhere. I didn't tuck stuff everywhere. I just felt like it has enough in there. And for Christmas, usually people are getting their own stuff, and there's a lot for people to put in their journals already. So this is just a tuck spot. It could be a double tuck spot. I love this fabric. This is my sister's, we use this for my sister's stocking because she likes music so much. She loves music. And this is a Christmas bag that I made last year. And so it's just got some ephemera in there. And it's been distressed. I decoupaged it with a Christmas napkin or tissue paper. I think this is a napkin. And then I did some sewing. And then I made some doily pockets. So I sewed along 2 sides of the doilies, and I double layered them so something can go here as well. Like so. There. And it's on both sides, so that's fun. And just some tabs throughout the journal. I made a tuck spot here, and here's one of the envelopes that I made with the tissue paper that I got from SM Tiffany Lane. And it's just got December 25th journal card in there, or photo mat, whatever you want to use it for. And it is a double pocket side here, so you can, or a double tuck spot, so you can, yeah. And it's got one back there. Some more copy dyed paper, some more tabs, and this fabric I got from SM Tiffany Lane as well. This is some fabric from another stocking. And then this lace is from Tiffany Lane, and I put this along the entire edge of the pocket here. I made some more little pockets with, or envelopes, mini envelopes, from leftover parchment paper, and I love how wonky they look. It's so cool. I just put little pieces in there. And this parchment paper, you can't write on it with pen, and you can't glue on it because it's non-stick. And the best you can do is use pencil. So if you get parchment paper and you're like, oh, I love the way it sounds, if you just want it for the way it sounds, that's totally fine. But if you're trying to like make something out of it, you gotta, you know, sew. And then if you want to write on it, I would recommend pencil. Because I mean, I haven't found anything else that sticks. So I imagine the pencil probably rubs off too, but yeah, not sure. I haven't tested that yet. There's some Christmas paper in here. Beautiful Christmas paper. More pockets. And then I made, okay, so this is a really soft pocket. It is from the inside of my stocking. The stocking fabric that I use, well, it is not from the inside of my stocking. It's the stocking fabric that I purchased, and it is cozy, which is flannel. And it's super soft. And so I made a little pocket here. And it goes over to the other side, where I layered this little bird on here because it was super cute, and did some different type of stitching on here. I really love it. I love it so much. I hope you guys like this too. And then here's another little wonky pocket, and it's got some die cuts in it, some Christmas die cuts. Oh. It just goes there. And then another one of those pockets where it's multiple, or sorry, doily pockets that I made, and it's got 2 layers on front and back. So and here's another doily, another tab, and then another card or ephemera. I just put this little die cut candy cane in here. And the recipient, if you don't like the extra pieces here, you can feel free to cut them off. I just thought they would be an extra, I think they'd be cool. I like the way they look. Some more coffee dyed paper, and then I have another little bag. I got so many of these little bags, I wanted to use them. And it's got some more embellishments in it. A little candy cane, a piece of ephemera, and then some Christmas tabs, like Merry and Bright, yeah, December documented, yeah.
Kids are coming to give you hugs.
Okay.
You want to pause that?
No, it's okay. You give me a hug and kisses?
Here.
Octavia's downstairs, honey. I love you. Give me hugs. I love you.
I like the snowman.
You like the snowman? I like it too. Almost done.
Huh?
Almost done.
Did you kiss?
Yeah, give me a kiss. Love you.
It's bright.
Yes, I know it's bright, huh? Good night.
Good night.
Come on.
Mom,
Yes.
I just washed.
Give me hugs. I love you.
Just washed.
Honey, everything is not about winning or losing, okay?
Loose.
You didn't get your way, that doesn't mean you lose. Let me feel your tooth. Shh. Let me feel your tooth. Yeah, you're gonna lose your tooth soon. Your other tooth is, oh my gosh, why are these still in here? Teeth are growing in behind it, Taylor. Go show Daddy.
Well, that's the same way mine happened.
They're like, shouldn't they have already fallen out?
Yeah.
Well, they should.
They're pushing his teeth back.
Yeah. We're gonna have to get them.
Braces?
No, we're gonna have to pluck them out before they start growing.
Because
then they're gonna end up like mine.
okay, well, we'll just fiddle with them some more.
Maybe
We're
they're.
just
Alright,
gonna.
come
Okay, give me hugs, Xavier. Oh, I'm so
Why are you
sorry.
crying?
You got mommy's eyes.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Go on.
Don't be sorry. It just looks like you got
Come on.
punched in both sides. It's okay. Oh, good night. Love you.
Good night.
Ow. Okay. Look in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, buddy.
Bye, Loki. Okay. So, just some more ephemera tucked into this pocket. And put some more tabs on here. And another little pocket using fabric. It's on both sides, of course. And that's the back. I need to put a thingy on here. I totally forgot. Hold on. Okay. All right. So that is this book. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. If you have any questions, let me know. I will have this in my Etsy shop, and I will also have the link below for SM Tiffany Lane at Etsy.com, as well as the video that I made showing the stuff that she sent me, if you guys are interested in seeing that. And I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys also have a really great Christmas. Bye.